Well, two cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, have been reported in schools over the past week.
Parents at a Johnston County charter school were notified yesterday about possible exposure, and last week a case was reported at a Raleigh middle school. CBS 17's Brea Hollingsworth has more now on what doctors are saying that they're seeing.
Doctors are continuing to see an increase in whooping cough cases across the country.
We are seeing the same thing that's being seen generally in the United States and North Carolina, which is an increase. We see a couple of cases every week. If you look at 2024 compared to 2023, both by North Carolina and the United States, we've seen roughly a 4 to 6-fold increase.
The latest data from the CDC shows 6 times as many cases in December of last year compared to the same time the year before. The number of reported cases in 2024 was higher than what was seen in 2019 prior to the pandemic. Dr. David Weber with UNC Health says there are reasons why we're seeing an increase following the pandemic. People are no longer wearing masks, nor are they getting vaccinated.
Over time, much like we've seen the outbreaks with measles, the number of people getting immunized has decreased, and the vaccine DTaP for children and TAP for adults does help prevent pertussis.
The news comes as this week staff at the American Leadership Academy Johnston notified parents of a possible exposure. And last week, a case of whooping cough was reported at Raleigh's Oberlin Magnet Middle School. Dr. Kitty O'Hare with Duke Health says she hasn't heard anything from her infectious disease cases, but encourages both adults and kids to get vaccinated.
We give whooping cough vaccines to children several times when they're young. We give it again to preteens, usually at ages 11 to 12, and we give it to pregnant women, and then we give it to adults as well.
And doctors say coughing symptoms can last anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. Doctors recommend still seeking medical care in the first 2 to 3 weeks, as antibiotics can help decrease the risk of infecting others. You can find more information on the whooping cough over on CBS17.com. Brea Hollingsworth, CBS 17 News.